Boom! What's up, Money Geeks? Mr. V here. Welcome to another video, guys. So in this video, we are going to talk about ticker symbol LCID Lucid Motors. For those of you guys that have been following the channel, you guys know I'm a big fan of this company. I'm a big fan of Lucid and where the direction that they're going. And so I've been covering this stock, giving you guys updates when there's changes, when there's something coming up that would impact the price of the stock, either to the upside or to the downside. And make sure that we cover that here on the channel. So in today's video, there is another catalyst that I want you guys to be aware of. So we're going to cover that. But before we get started, guys, if you're new to the channel, we talk about how to earn money, how to save money, how to invest and build wealth. So if that's something that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new content. So when it comes to Lucid, guys, this is again a long-term play for me. I love the company and I've seen progressions. I've seen what the company is doing and how they're taking the time to get to market. They're not rushing like all the other companies that are out there. Here, sparks that are merging and the stock is skyrocketing without any cars or any product to show for. But Lucid, on the other hand, is taking their sweet time and actually establishing factories, testing their vehicles and doing all the steps that you would expect to see in a good startup. So I love the stock. Remember again, last week I told you guys about the catalyst that was going to pull the price of the stock down. I told you buy the dip. Remember, when people started exercising their warrant, especially pipe investors. I told you guys September 1, mark that calendar, the pipe investors exercised their warrant. And what did that do? It pushed the price of the stock down, massive pressure. And that was actually on my YouTube stories here telling you guys I buy the dip because the stock pulled down to about $15. I'm like, buy the dip because this thing is bounce back up. So now there is another catalyst that I want you guys to actually put this on your calendar if you haven't already. So before we even jump into that catalyst, guys, for those of you guys that don't know Lucid, it's our, what I call clean energy or electric vehicle manufacturer, comparable to Tesla, but in this case they are targeting the luxury market. So think about your Toyota and you have Lexus, which is targeting the luxury market. So in this case, Lucid is not competing with Tesla head to head. No, they're coming like, hey, Tesla, that's fine. You make your cars. We want to make luxury cars. And there is a huge market for this. If you think about the number of people that are in the United States only, even though they have some other partnerships out in Saudi Arabia, but here in the United States, people love driving their Teslas. Can you imagine there's another class above Tesla that's even better? That's where Lucid is going. So you would see a lot of rich people are going to head towards Lucid because, I mean, they want to distinguish themselves. They have money. They want to afford the things that ordinary people cannot afford. And that's why I love Lucid. So again, I just want to give you background as to what Lucid is doing. And they have over 10,000 reservations for their Lucid Air, the first production model that's going to go out. So just to give you guys that context. But again, back to the catalyst, I want you guys to take your pen right now and mark September 27. This is a very important date if you haven't already. The reason why I want you to mark September 27 is because Lucid is going to open its doors to the public. So they're going to open their facility out in Arizona where they're currently doing manufacturing of the Lucid Air and doing all their testing. They're going to open it up to the media, to financial people, to policy cycle people. I mean, pretty much anybody that has a saying in, let's say, in the media, in the news, you have access to the facility. And this thing is going to last a whole week. So it's not like they just open it for maybe a day or so. They're doing it for a whole week, giving everybody room to come in, ask questions, tour the facility, look at their manufacturing, see what they're working on, and be able to even ask questions to the executives, which I think this is brilliant. This is free media coverage that they're going to get because until this point, Lucid hasn't really gotten a ton of media coverage. Remember when they did that kind of a spoof on Elon Musk when he was hosting Saturday Night, and these guys actually trolled him with running an ad when he was hosting. So I mean, like, it gave them a little bit of publicity, but this one, now they're opening their facilities to the media to come in and actually see how everything works, ask questions, and be able to really see Lucid in action. So I think it's brilliant. And then one other thing that I actually saw this past week, let me bring this up here so you guys can actually see. An analyst actually rated Lucid and gave it a price target of $28. That's still not, bad. At least people are starting to talk about it. I'm assuming that once they go out September 28th, go tour the facility, see what Lucid is doing, they're going to change its price target really, really quick. So this is, again, Lucid just making the rounds and getting into mainstream. So the price target of 28. So if we look at where Lucid is currently trading right now, sitting somewhere at $20.18. And again, guys, if we just go back 5 days here, look at when Lucid dropped down here, I told you guys, buy, buy, buy. So look at that drop here, and then kind of squeeze a little bit, and then it's starting to curl back up. So I'm anticipating that this curl is going to head back up to leading into that September 28th, and I think, September 27th. And I think that this is going to be important. I hope I didn't miss this date. The actual date is September 27. Please mark that on your calendar. If I said 28, not bad. I just got too excited with it. So mark your calendar. It's September 27 actually. So I'm anticipating that this stock is going to keep moving to the upside in anticipation for that date when they open to the public, where people can actually come in and see, and the analysts can start writing and talking about it. Can you imagine when all these analysts go there and sit in one of these vehicles and actually test drive it, or just sit and see what it looks like? And then you're going to see a ton of comparison to Lucid and Tesla. This stock is going to start getting some momentum. So I just want to make sure that we cover that here on the channel, so you guys are aware of what is going on. So again, guys, mark your calendar for September 27 when Lucid is going to open their doors to all these media people, financial people, to come in and see what they are doing. Give access to their executives so you can ask them questions and get to know the company even better. I think this is huge. This is free PR, and it's going to be an event that will drive the price of the stock up. Remember, we're just coming off of Lucid actually exercising some of their warrants. And again, all these warrants that were exercised on September 1st were for PIPE investors. So again, you saw how that really put pressure on the stock. That sell-off actually pushed the price of the stock down, which was a great opportunity for us to buy, for those of you guys that are long-term investors in Lucid. But now the next catalyst that's coming up on September 27, this is going to be one that I anticipate pushing the price of the stock up. If not, I think the price of the stock should at least be somewhere around that kind of 25, 26 before September 27. And then if it comes out and start getting that publicity, you will see this go to maybe $30 in my personal opinion. Again, guys, this for me is long term, so I'm not even sweating anything here. I'm just going to sit here and watch this thing unfold. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this. Lucid, again, to me, is one that you don't just jump in and out. Buy this one, just put it somewhere and forget about it. Which each time you see those dips, I told you guys several times, when it gets down to under 20, it means buy, buy, buy. And you just let it sit there and come back in 3 to 5 years when these guys have actually gone through production. You see their cars on the road. So the Dream Air, the Lucid Air, the Lucid Dream, there is a lot of products in the lines that they're going to be putting out there in the future. So again, let me know in the comment section what you think about this. If you're new to the channel, guys, we talk about how to earn money, how to save money, how to invest and build wealth. So that's something that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new content. Also, guys, if you're looking to get started with investing, Webull has their promotion where if you sign up and deposit $5, you get free stocks. As a matter of fact, they're giving out free Apple stocks. You get free stocks anywhere between $3 and $1,500. So I'll put the links in the description. And they just started their new crypto promotion too, where if you sign up and start trading crypto, you get another $5 in free crypto. I think free Shiba. Again, I'll put the links in the description below. And as always, guys, do your due diligence. Don't be a greedy savage. Stay motivated.